Hello everyone, and today I will show you how to use Windows 8, and this is a Windows 8 Demystified video. And many people are concerned that they don't want to buy Windows 8, or they don't want Windows 8 because it's really hard to use, or that it is so different that they don't understand exactly what it is or to use it. Okay, so I'm gonna cover in this tutorial, well, this video more like, exactly what are Windows features and stuff and tips you need to know if you are going to get Windows 8. Okay, so let's start off with the start menu, and indeed this is different. This is not like our normal start menu, and I'm using a touch screen, that's why I can scroll like side to side without a mouse. Anyway, this is your start screen, and on your start screen there are tiles, and there are different tiles for different things, and apps. You have different apps, and as you download more and more things, you'll see you'll get more and more tiles, and you can always, if you don't want a tile, for example, you can always right click and you can hit unpin from start, and if you don't want it, you can hit uninstall. Now that doesn't matter to me. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to show you the desktop, because people are some people who don't know where the desktop is. It's really easy, it's right here. Or you can also click right here because I have the desktop open. So this is a desktop, and this is what you should be accustomed to already. So this is where your desktop is. Now, one thing that people are concerned about is, where did our circle-y start button thing go? And if you actually click here, you'll see you'll come here, but that's not really helpful. So I'm going to show you a tip. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this. Okay, so basically what happens is, if you right click here, you'll see you get this whole menu to click things. So you can click Task Manager, for example, and then it'll start up Task Manager, which I'm just gonna have run for example, and that may take some time considering I am recording. Anyway, so you'll see there's stuff recording in. Okay, and you can see this is your new task manager. Simple enough. You could just let me see. You can just select something and hit end task, and it'll kill it like normal. Okay. Anyway, what else? When you right click, okay, people have been, from what I've heard, people have been complaining, oh, getting to command prompt is a pain, and I'm here to say that's not true. It's actually, to me, faster than I could do it in Windows 7. So all you can do is you can right click and just click command prompt. And there you go, you have your command prompt, which you can use to do whatever you need. Okay, also you have command prompt administrator. You also have other stuff that you may find useful, along with run, which could be used for other things. You have control panel. File explorer is just this. You'll see another file explorer will come up. And once you have File Explorer, if you do, you can always pin it so that it'll always be there. And okay, so let's explore some other things. Okay, so now that doesn't solve another issue with search. Now there are two ways to getting to search. Now I have a touch screen, so I can just slide my finger across, and you'll see I'll get this menu, and I can click on the search, and you'll see these are the apps which you can click. Let's say I want to go to let me pick something. Let's say I wanted to run AudioDocs, which is which I did a test drive on before. So I could just click that, and then it runs. That's equivalent of just double clicking there. But let's say you just wanted to search for something, just do that. Really easy. And yeah. Okay. Or you can right click and also hit hold on. You can right click and click search. There. And it's right there. And you can look up. Now this is one disadvantage. That it's isolated, so you could search for apps, search for settings, and search for files. But that's not that big of an issue anyway. Anyway. So I'll just return back to here. Okay, other things. Let's see. Okay, apps. I'll do a short thing on apps. So these are tiles, and you can make the tiles live. Like I have a weather tile that's live. And they're different apps. So you have SkyDrive, which is basically like Google Drive, if you know what that is. Store. It's like the App Store on Macs or on iOS devices. Maps is like Google Maps, but it's Bing Maps. Games, camera, music, video. These are all different kinds of apps. Now, I have, for example, set news to not be a live tile, so I can turn it back on. But that's fine. I don't really require that. Uh, and so on. So you can click different apps that you want. You can unpin, and I think that's basically it for that. So yeah, I hope you've learned some things from Windows 8, and I hope you are convinced that it's not that bad. Okay, and thanks for watching. Bye.